Alright, so here we have an ICP heat pump right here. That's in heat mode right now. Yeah, it may seem like it's in defrost right now, but it's not in defrost. It's just in heat mode with the fans not working, so yeah, it's frozen. And see how it's frozen in there. Has a GE motor. I'm pretty sure this is from 2003, and it's an unknown tonnage. That's very hot, so that's how I knew immediately it wasn't in heat mode. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out. Something just happened with the fan motor. It's stuck. Or to say the least, it's moving very slowly. Something's weird going on. It's trying to start, I think. Going on over here. This thing's running in heat mode. This thing's acting up. Anyways, thank you for watching.